How to dropship on Newegg. Now, if you want to start dropshipping with Newegg, you just simply need to open your browser and then search for Newegg vendor portal. Then this first option of vendorportal.newegg.com will appear. Just simply open it and sign in to your Newegg account in here. And after you sign in to your Newegg account, or if you have a seller account, directly sign into the seller account. But if you don't, tap to this option of how to become a vendor, apply now. Tap to apply now button, and after tapping into apply now, you are going to see a lot of text in here. You just simply need to scroll down and fill out the form with the basic information about your company. You just simply need to fill out all of these informations, and after filling out all of these, you need to upload documents or the additional applications for your business and tap to send request. And whenever this request gets verified and once you become a vendor successfully, you can very easily manage dropship on Newegg from the website. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.